Okay na po, attorney.
Okay, good morning. Welcome to the opening of financial documents under Section 54 of RE 12009, otherwise known as the New Government Procurement Act, and its implementing rules and regulation for the project 26 CSF 003, Consulting Services for the Conduct of Feasibility Studies, Preliminary and Legal Engineering, Economic Analysis, Technical Studies, Traffic Impact Assessment, Masbate City Bypass Road, Masbate 2nd Legislative District. So this activity is being attended to by the following. First is myself as the back chairperson, Attorney Molina M. Bataga, also the Chief of the Right of Way Acquisition Legal Division. On my right is Dr. Maria Chodora Pilo Santas, back vice chairperson, also the Chief of the Administrative Division. On her right is Engineer Benjamin J. Butre Jr., back regular member, the Chief of the Quality Assurance and Hydrology Division. Engineer Arnett R. Samson, back provisional member, Chief of the Maintenance Division. We also have Engineer Dennis Edgar D. Ocam, back PWG member from the Planning and Design Division. And Engineer Syra May Bianyon, Project Development Officer 2, also from the Planning and Design Division Case Office. Also, we would like to acknowledge the presence of our observer from the COA Regional Office 5, Mr. John Payones. Good morning, sir. And also our representatives from our respective leaders from Space and Design and Associate, Maria Cecilia Biganas and Caroline C. Amaral. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, so before we proceed with the opening of the financial documents, please be informed that yesterday we conducted the opening of the technical proposal of the shortlisted bidders, namely Foresight Surveying and Development Company and Space SEM and Design Associate. However, only Space SEM Design Associate passed eligibility requirements for the project. The TWG subsequently validated its bid to check the rating based on the criteria prescribed under Section 52 of the same IFR, and if it found to have passed the 70% requirement, hence their financial proposal shall be open. So to present to us the financial rating of Space and Design and Associates, we have called on Engineer Octa.
Good morning po. So we would like to present po yung technical evaluation for shortlisted consultant. So this is for contract ID number 26-003, consulting services for the conduct of feasibility studies, preliminary and detailed engineering, economic analysis, technical studies, traffic impact assessment of Masbate City Bypass Road. So the evaluated consultant is Space and Design and Associates. For the evaluation of technical proposals, we followed the criteria under Department Order number 64, series of 2025. First is for experience of the firm. We allocated scores for the completed contracts compared to the ABC, which is 25,794.70, and the qualification of proposed personnel, and lastly is the methodology proposed by the consultant. So to present the summary ratings for technical evaluation of for Space and Design and Associates. First, experience of the firm, with maximum points of 10. Space and Design and Associates got 10 points. For qualification of proposed key personnel, 59.88 out of 80. Methodology, 10 points out of 10. Total rating is 79.88. Remarks ko is passed.
Okay, thank you, Engineer Octa. Based on the presented data, for spacing, Design and Associate has the technical evaluation for the project with a rating of 79.88%. Hence, we will be opening the financial proposal.
submitted by SpaceM Design and Associates for contract ID 26 CSF 003. FPF 1, this is the financial proposal submission form. Sign. Ito na rin yung kanyang ito na yung big form niya, ba? Then FPF 2, summary of costs. FPF 3, breakdown of price per activity. Then the breakdown of remuneration per activity. FPF 5, reimbursables. And FPF 6, miscellaneous expenses. Okay. Then, babasahin natin yung kanyang lead. And as stated here, the amount is inclusive of all taxes, national or local, such as, but not limited to the value-added tax, income tax, local taxes, and other fiscal levies and other duties. So ang total, including all those taxes, ay 15,135,525 pesos only. 15135.00. Ano din, kailangan mo i-check yung computation niya, particularly yung sinasabi niya inclusive na yung ba.
Design and Associates with a rating of 79.88% technical rating shall undergo detailed evaluation under section 62 of the same IR and if found to be the highest rated bid. The same shall undergo post-qualification under section 63.
Single highest rate.
Single highest, okay. If found to be the single highest rated bid, the same shall undergo post-qualification under section 63 of the same IR. So that concludes the
Nire-resign niya pa muna yung napagano.
I-present lang po namin yung summary po ng financial evaluation po. So, for the bid amount of 15,125,525, the equivalent financial rating is 100 points. Equivalent to weighted financial rating of 20, and the combined technical and financial evaluation is 63.09 for technical rating and 20 for financial. Total score is 83.9.
Thank you, Engineer Octa. To reiterate, the loan eligible and complying bidder, SpaceM Design and Associates, having a combined technical rating of 83.904%, will undergo little evaluation